was actually two ducks. The first one made it out, and the second one didn't.
What a storm today on the Table Rock.
Going up, duck?
No, I make it. Oh no.
Right as we were boarding, it got really windy, and that's when a lot of the wind started to pick up in the storm. And so we got on, and we got seated, and we all got ready. We were just sitting there, we ordered a drink, and our waitress came, and then all of a sudden we see all the staff just running back and forth with life jackets and AEDs, just trying to do their best they can to try to figure out where this is, or where it went down.
Divers have located it. They know where it's at. It will be recovered probably later today. I believe it's in about 80 foot of water. It landed, I believe, in about 40 foot of water and rolled down into 80 foot of water.
17 people killed when duck boat sinks during storm in Missouri. People killed when duck boat sinks during storm in Missouri. Branson, M0. The duck boat was coasting through the waters of Table Rock Lake on Thursday night when the weather began to pick up. It had been a nice summer day in southern Missouri, before a gusty rainstorm, amid pounding waves, suddenly moved in, sending the small boat plunging to the bottom of the lake, killing 17 people, some of them children. By Friday afternoon, the extent of a damaging thunderstorm that quickly roared across the lake near Branson, MO, began to become clear. It delivered punishing rain and pummeling wind forecasters had warned could be coming. The waves began to churn, rocking a duck boat that had set out with 31 people, 29 passengers, and 2 crew members. Gripping video footage from the lake showed the boat seesawing in the water, that just kept coming. The storm was too much for the small boat, which eventually capsized and sank. More than half of those on board the boat had been killed. By midday, Mayor Karen Best identified one of the victims as crew member and driver Robert Bob Williams. He was married to his wife, Judy, for 30 years, and they lived in Branson.
Yeah, I've been on that before. I took my kids on it back in the, I guess it was in the 90s.